take it last relationship.
Was I love and it was divine? I soon found out I was losing my mind. Nothing sacred, but it's a living. Hey, oh, here she go. Either a little too high or a little too low. Got no self-esteem and vertigo. Does she think she's made of candy? Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you.
I'm fucking broken, you see me empty. Glasses turn the bottle in my head, I'm feeling dizzy. But you never fucking listen, gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is, I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never wanna hear me, I've been beating from the start. I got money, I got pills, and I got a broken heart. Fuck the love, I'm needing trust. A kiss can make me stronger, but it's fixing no one's heart. I don't need your glitter, I just need a will to start.
Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fuck around like I'm brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules.
Making a Lego fidget. Build. I'm making a blue themed one. I didn't have enough of the right pieces. Oops, forgot one part. Better. Ta-da. Bye.
How to make a foil puppet. You might have to be a little gentle with it because it can break quite easily. You're going to get foil and you're going to get any type of ring that you want. Just don't get an actual ring. So you're going to want to push it down and move it to the centre. You're going to fold all of these, just like so. Like that. You want to just pop it a little bit on each side, and then the hole gets deeper, but don't pop like too hard, just pop gentle. In my box I do have more foil than this. I have a whole thing, so if it does ever break I can just redo it.
I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Let's go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever, oh, we'll have some fun. Yes, let's hit the North Pole and live happily. Please don't cry no tears now, it's Christmas, baby. My snowman.
I'm gonna show you how to make those clicky things. First, get an empty water bottle. Take off that rim part. Now that you did that, trace some of the plastic of the circle size. Now cut that. Hot glue gun this on top. Cut off the extras around. And there you have a clicker.
Your tongue is all by your side. You got it took too long. You better. 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 You got it took too long. You better.
Today I'm making a slider. Cut off the bottom piece. Cut it how short you want it. Now cut this part off. Here's the finished results. I also made a green one, and that's how you make DIY sliders. Duet this video and try it.
Baby, it's the bother me. It's the bother me. Do you see her out there, Mama Freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff wear. In the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or no, no maybe. So just be sure before you give it out to me, out to me. Give it out to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm?
Hey guys, this is a tutorial on the homemade DIY globbles. So first fill up the balloons with flour or air, you can choose. And then fill your sink with water and soap until it gets a lot of bubbles. Then add your balloons and fill them up with bubbles. Leave them there for 10 minutes. Get them out and leave them sitting for 2 minutes like this with some bubbles. Then dry. In the start, it won't stick, but then it's sticky. It's so good and it's so fun to play with. It's super duper easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!
Hey guys, it's Owner A, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this like pop-it thing, but it's made out of googly eyes, and all you need is hot glue. And then you glue the googly eyes down to the cardboard, and then you're done. It's a really simple one, and yeah, bye!
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your very own monkey noodle. All you will be needing is a hair elastic or rubber band and some beads. Both a hair elastic or a rubber band work, and any type of beads will work. First, cut your hair elastic in half. Next, tie a knot on one of the ends of your hair elastic like this. Now you're going to put your beads on the hair elastic. If you want to, you could even put your name on the end like I did. Once you are towards the end, stretch your hair elastic out a bit so that you can fit the rest of your beads. Try to fit all 26 beads on, but if you can't, that's okay. Tie a knot at the end, and you're done. Enjoy!